Assalamu alaikum students. Hopefully all of you are fine. Today I will tell you about the antidepressant drugs in pharmacology and I'm telling you about the depression. The introduction. What is depression? Depression is a mood disorder associated with consistent feelings of sadness, worthlessness and guilt as well as the loss of interest and pleasure. Other symptoms include insomnia or hypersomnia, changes in appetite and weight, fatigue, inability to focus, and indecisiveness. Together, these symptoms have a huge negative impact on the quality of life of affected individuals and impair their relationships with family and friends as well as their productivity in the workforce. Genetic and environmental factors such as adverse early life events are believed to contribute to depression, but the underlying mechanisms are not fully understood. Definition of depression according to DSM-5, according to Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders 5th edition, DSM-5 as experiencing at least 5 of these symptoms during a 2-week period. Number 1, depressed mood most of the day, nearly every day, as indicated by either subjective report or observation made by others. Number 2, markedly diminished interest or pleasure in all or almost all activities most of the day, nearly every day. Number 3, significant weight loss when not dieting or weight gain. For example, a change of more than 5% of body weight in a month or decrease or increase in appetite nearly every day. Number 4, insomnia or hypersomnia nearly every day. Increased sleep pattern or decreased sleep pattern. Okay. Number 5 is psychomotor agitation or retardation nearly every day. You feel agitated, restlessness. Number 6 is fatigue or loss of energy nearly every day. Number 7, feelings of worthlessness or excessive or inappropriate guilt, which may be delusional nearly every day, which may be fake. Number 8 is diminished ability to think or concentrate or indecisiveness nearly every day, nearly every other day. Number 9 is recurrent thoughts of death, recurrent suicidal ideation with or without a specific plan or a suicide attempt. If a person have one of these symptoms means if a person have one of 5 symptoms, then a person is diagnosed as depressed. Definition of depression according to ICD-10. ICD-10 is the 10th revision of the International Statistical Classification of Diseases and Health Related Problems. Criteria for diagnosis of depression requires 4 or more of 10 symptoms present or at least 2 weeks. Number 1 is depressed mood. Number 2, loss of interest and enjoyment from pleasurable stimuli. Number 3 is reduced energy leading to increased fatigability, diminished activity. Number 4 is reduced concentration and attention. Number 5 is reduced self-esteem and self-confidence. Number 6 is ideas of guilt and unworthlessness. Number 7 is bleak and pessimistic views of the future. Number 8, ideas or acts of self-harm, suicidal attempts or planning to suicide. Number 9 is disturbed sleep patterns. Number 10 is diminished appetite.